Hello everyone, it's SpawnPoiint, and today I wanted to answer a question that I get asked quite a lot. Do I prefer gaming on a TV or monitor? Which is better and why? Now, with so many gaming monitors or gaming focused TVs out there, it might be hard to decide which format is best to go for. Today I'm going to explain what I use them for and why I prefer one over the other. So I use both the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X in my setup, and I'm using them with the 27-inch LG GP950 on my desk and the 77-inch LG C1 OLED over here. Now, they both have their strengths, weaknesses and differences, but they also share a lot of the same features. The short answer though, if I had to choose just one, it would be the TV. Gaming on a TV isn't the way that it used to be. If you are using one of the latest LG, Sony or Samsung TVs, there's a good chance it will be as good, if not better, than most of the monitors out there. But before I get started, are you team TV or team desk and monitor? Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Now, there's something pretty awesome about playing games on the big screen. It just feels so immersive. It doesn't matter what games I'm playing either, whether it's an FPS game like Call of Duty or a racing game like Forza or GT7. They just look so good on here, a real cinema mode experience. But where I find gaming on a TV really shines are the story-driven games. You know, like Uncharted, The Last of Us and Horizon. Any single player game instantly feels like you're playing or watching a movie. It feels a lot more chill and casual, but I actually like that. By comparison, sitting at a desk and using a 27-inch monitor feels a lot more focused and intense, and it's definitely better overall for those FPS games. In fact, I will often move my PS5 here just to play Call of Duty with my friends, and that has nothing to do with the specs, as both of these screens have a 1 millisecond response time, so they are incredibly rapid. I've also never had an issue playing FPS games on my TV regardless of the size. Now, the fact that I'm using an OLED doesn't help the argument either, as the picture quality on this is incredible. I mean, the monitor is great, it offers 4K, 120Hz and VRR, but so does the LG C1, and I think it does it better. But it's not just about the size or the quality of the screen, it's the sound too. When I'm playing online, I will wear a headset, for the comms. But when I'm not, I much prefer listening to the game through my speakers in my room. Obviously, a desk setup can have speakers too, but for me the experience is on a whole different level when blasting the sound out around the room. So I'm using a 5.1 system here from Monitor Audio, but even a soundbar will be awesome. Wearing a headset will obviously give you that better directional sound, especially for footsteps in a Call of Duty game, but you really cannot beat that overall surround sound within a room. Another advantage of gaming on a TV is I'm not always gaming on my own. I will sit here with my wife during the evening or my children during the day. Gaming on a TV feels a lot more sociable this way, rather than just being sat at a desk looking at the screen on my own. Again, those story-driven games are where this makes the most sense, or couch co-op games. Now, whatever TV or monitor that you game on, you want to make sure that it offers the features that you need or that you want. So that's a low response time and input lag, ALLM, VRR, 4K and 120Hz, especially if you're gaming on the latest consoles like the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X. Fortunately, the LG C1 offers all of these, which means it's one of, if not the best gaming TV right now. And it's incredible value for money right now as well, because you've got the LG C2 and G2 models coming out. Then there's the seating. My sofa is pretty supportive and comfy, and as I've got it directly in front of the TV, it's perfect for gaming. Sitting on the sofa definitely feels a lot more casual and laid back. It's not the place for those 1v1 sessions. Again, this is ideal for those gaming sessions on an evening when you're sat with your friends. Now, comparing that with my desk setup, where I instantly feel more focused sitting here in this Herman Miller chair. Now, this chair is ridiculously comfy, and again, this is perfect for those COD sessions. I definitely feel like I could sit here a lot longer than I can on my sofa, but again, it does depend on the type of gaming that you're doing. Apart from the size of the screen and the inbuilt speakers, I don't think a TV offers a huge advantage over a monitor in terms of watching TV. I mean, sure, the LG C1 has all of the apps available to watch, including Netflix and Disney+, but then so does the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox. So you could watch normal TV through your monitor if you use those consoles. So depending on how you wish to use your monitor, whether it was just for gaming or for TV watching as well, that might be something worth considering. Now, I do play a lot of Call of Duty, but even then I will play it on the TV. I sit around 10 feet from this 77-inch screen, which I think is perfect. It doesn't feel too big, and it's probably the same size ratio as sitting at my desk. On the whole though, I just prefer gaming on the TV. It's more relaxed, more sociable, and the whole experience is far more immersive. You can't beat booting up a game, cranking up the sound, and sitting back on the sofa for the night. I guess it comes down to what type of games that you play. Like, if you only play FPS games and you want to play them competitively, a monitor and a desk setup will probably be the better choice. And if you're planning on streaming, again, a desk setup makes the most sense. But otherwise, if you're like me and you like to play anything and everything, a TV is the perfect all-rounder for gaming. Saying that, if you can have both, it definitely covers all bases. But with a new LG C2 OLED coming in at 42 inches, that could be the ultimate TV for gaming. I also really want to check out the new Alienware QD OLED monitor. That thing looks like an absolute beast. So that was a quick look at why I prefer gaming on a TV, and thank you for watching. Tell me what you currently game on. Are you team TV or team monitor? And if you did enjoy today's video, check out my 2022 room tour next, as I'll show you everything that you can see in today's setup. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you don't miss my next upload. You can also follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.